So when we're talking about combining like terms, we are talking about combining terms that have the same variables. And as you can see in this example, 7x, negative 5x, and 4x all have the same variable, so that list goes here. Constant terms are terms without a variable. That's 3, 8, a negative 1. And remember that the negative sign that comes in front of, the subtraction sign that comes in front of a term means that that term is negative when it's standing by itself. So negative 1. And then the coefficient is the number that comes with the variable. So that's going to be 7. This is going to be negative 5 and positive 4. Now this says you can simplify an expression by combining the like terms. So the things that we're going to put together are 7x, negative 5, and 4. 7x minus 5x is 2x, plus 4x is 6x. And then you have 3 plus 8 is 11, minus 1 is 10. Plus 10. And that is your answer. Remember that if there is no equal sign, then this is all that you can do, and that will make your answer complete.